money or your gift to the debutant. Alright, so dapat po, bawal scam. Charot. Okay, so let's start. Come on, sir. Can you please join the debutant on stage? Ayan. Everybody, come on. Okay, eto na po. Sila po talaga yung mukhang mayaman. Hindi ko naman sinabi, my English is fucking done. Nagbaon sana ako ng dictionary. So, di ba, mayaman tayo sa pagmamahal. Alright, so you are Mr. and Mrs.
Nixon.
Nixon, ayan. From where are you? Sir Dana, from Australia. Oh my goodness. So, is it your... Okay, so is it your first time here in the Philippines?
Very first time.
Very first time. So how's the experience so far? Do you like it here?
Love it.
Is it hot in here?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Yes, just like your wife. She's very hot, right? Very good. That's all. Mahirap pag-English, madam. Okay, so now, this is your niece, alright? What can you say, ayan, or what is your message to your niece because she's celebrating her 10th birthday today? And it is your first time here in the Philippines to meet her in person. Okay. Alright. Come on, Sir Nixon. You're Sir Dainton. You're Sir Dainton, right? Okay, what's your message to your niece?
Well, couldn't find a most beautiful person. So beautiful and insane.
Wala kayo. Dartaring mo.
I'm glad to spend my birthday with her. Her birthday, sorry. With her. I'm glad to be here. Like, could not find a better person. She's insane. She's amazing little child and love her. Nothing I would not do.
There you go, big round of applause for Sir Dainton. Sir Dainton, if I'm gonna ask you, yes, if I'm gonna ask you, how's the people in here? Are they friendly, chatty? Oh my goodness, so you love them, yes, the whole family. So palakpakan nyo naman, kausapin nyo po na masabsabat nyo. Just say hi, hello, that's all. Okay. Yes, ayan, naawatam. Did you understand, of course, what he said? Anak ko na. So what will you say? Dito kay Tito, can you say thank you to him?
Thank you.
Okay, she says thank you. And where is your gift daw po? Charot. Naibigay na po. Sila po talaga magbabayad ng catering. Oy, ayun naman pala, in fairness. How gonna give the gift? Wow, my goodness! And oh, ang dami! Palapakan niyo naman po. Ma'am, pwede mag-bless. Yes, you have lots of money. Okay. You say thank you to Tito.
Thank you. Uncle, thank you, Uncle.
Ayan. Can you add some more? Okay. How about Tita? Ayan, si Tita naman, very generous po.
Since nakatulog ni daddy na mangtid ka no singirin nanton lovely aim.
Anya mo gami ni daddy mo, tatatapay lang mo ti rest time na mo. Diba? Okay, so ibibigay naman daw ni daddy. How about this tita? Very generous, very supportive. Uray man mano ti tita no kastoy kasingpat. Ayan, okay tita, ano pong gusto sabihin sa pamangkin po ninyo?
Idalene, first of all, I would like to say happy birthday. Tagiti ka nakaka-apokit, love ko amin suga. I give everything for them. I do everything for them. Naneng, or tinig ka nakamit ni Tito Mon, utang ko pa lang kaya. At dyan yung matik mabirukan. At gayam yung invite ko ti lechon, ti ice cream, cake, catering. Ngim ori no kasi naning, ori, gaput ako nga rod, hamimit na experience ti agdibdibo. So ngayon di imbaga mga agdibok mamit tita, ori no imbaga kanyak, imbaga kinititom, imbaga daw ni kanyak. Sige nga rod din, ang awit tayo imit ko na. So here we are. At dadjati ko ang bilak, padamdaman no, laglagipik na yung kabilak. Ori no, ikwak tulatan, pawit kong tulatan ni tita mga darling. EJP ko ba? Winigi Western Union, aya. Tabaka na awanti pagbits tayon ki. Ay, adda, butik pala ngayam ni. Aya. So, your Tito Dayton is here too to celebrate your birthday. Kasi adya yan, ulaw sa payen, tipudot ng apo. Ang singsingpit kaya, nagadal ka na siya at muna na kasamot tinigat tibiyag naning education is the best. Awanti, serviti, hantay nga na baknang naning him. We'll try our best to help you out. Aya, takas tamit nga ruti, pamilya, family comes first, nga panada. Aya, always. At itinulong sa hirap at sa ginhawa. Okay, we love you all.
Thank you so much, sir. So please do stay. Ayan, Tita Jackie, that's what you call a selfless love. Diba? Yung inuuna ang pamilya kaysa sa sarili. Kaya po bless kayo kasi you're sharing your blessings. More blessings pa to you, to the both of you, of course. And dito naman po tayo kay Tita. Naneng, this is it. Diba? Kasi yung namin nangyari, na minsan nga nag-attend the party ti one of our closest family ni Saisi Saged. May Sais mo na nga gift. Siguro, mapal. Right after nga nalpas, nagawid da nga agina, kung na ka pinimama na kaya't kumitikas chay, agdebo. Idi siguro ni mama na, ay makita na nga negative answer. One time nga nagtungtong kami, imbaga na kanya, tita kahit kumiti agdebo. Idigayam umula nga ibaga ni mami na, doon kay lambi nga ngak-ngak ko. Himidim baga na, nawanin, nalusaw ti puso kon. Iso ko nagti, sige, ibagat kindatitam. Iso nga, ato yung naneng, ti pangarap mo nga dibo, intidmen, si kami amin nga kapamilya, si kami amin mother side, both father side, okay? Sa pasap, iso nga, ikarigatak tinagawin, ikapukan niya mo. I love you, aral na mabuti, and be good girl always. Okay? Ay, ipakita pa, kita? Pakipakita yung kano apo. Kasi gusto daw po nilang makita. Wala, ang dami naman po in prayer. Allah, Diyos ko. Eto na po, meron tayong 1,000. Okay, 2,000. Alright, ang dami-dami mo ng pera, in fairness. Mabalin tayo pa 5-6 ata Idelaine. Ayan, tatlo tumubo. Basta. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much po sa generosity ninyo. Ang tandanag ni Sir, kagdanag, Sir, okay lang yan. It's the thought that counts. Sabi nga nila, o, diba? The most important thing, of course, is your love and care po sa inyo pong pamangkin nyo, Sir. Oo, pamangkin. Yan. It doesn't matter po kung magkano ang maibibigay natin. Ang importante po galing sa puso natin. O, diba? And I know for sure na mahal niyo po yung pamangkin ninyo. Nandiyan kayo to support. It's not always money. But then again, paminsan-minsan po, lalo pag wala tayong pera talaga. Joke lang. Okay. Alright, so there you go. You have lots and lots of money na. Pwede na makabili ng iPhone yan. Okay. And last but not least, the Tito here. Hello, Tito.
Hello, good evening. Parang DJ happy birthday, Idilin. And simple lang ang regalo anak ko. Pinakabasit pero at least ata kami dito yung maternity birthday. Okay, agyaman kami, may sa kami nga na imbitasyon, iti birthday, and masaksihan, ti amin nga kabagyan, nga ata kami dito, and also happy birthday again.
Thank you so much, sir. Palakpakan naman po natin si sir. In fairness nga, sir, totoo, maganda po yung boses niya, no? Yes. Opo, DJ, pang DJ po talaga. Pwede ko palang kunin si sir na, na-guest ko sa program ko, sa Love Radio po, o, diba? Okay. Ate Idolene, we're very curious. Kung may isang bagay ka na gustong bilhin, total may pera ka, ano ba yung gusto mong bilhin? Yung pinaka gusto mo?
iPhone.
Ha? Ano yun?
iPhone.
Fortuner ka nun sa ama. Ala, Diyos ko, daligpay lang ay ta anak ko. Ha? Ay, iPad! She wants an iPad. Is it enough? Your money? Is your money enough?
No.
Okay, ha? Oh, it's enough na. Pero but, if it's not, then you will add some more. Char- you will, what, sir?
Oh, sure, so Bob. I'll buy one for us.
Oh, we're gonna buy you an iPad. Oh my God, palakpakan ako. Diyos ko. Bless po. Akaloka. Meron ka na may iPad ka na. Napakabait naman ni Tito. Thank you. Picture nga po. Yes, ma'am. Additional.
Actually, at dati iPad, nga regalo ngin nalipatan. Ambi nga na itugot. Nalipatan. Sa bala dyan itugot ko, aji laptop ko. Pawit mo tulad tayo naning aya. Sorry.
Padala na lang po. It's never too late. Opo, hindi naman po masisira. Mapapasabi nila, diba? Excited na tayo sa iPad. There you go. Picture lang po muna sila, please. Yes. Mag-close